I'm angry. It's like, it's not that I'm grumpy or yelling or doing something. It's that I have resting ass face.
Exclusive. Kody and Christine Brown set to face off at December court date. Conference can't be filmed for sister wives, and Christine explains why Kody and Robyn were not invited to her wedding. Also, Kody Brown's lawyer fires back at Christine Brown's lawsuit. I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hey lovely viewers. Welcome to my update gossip channel. Christine Brown will soon come face to ringlet covered face in virtual court with her ex Kody Brown. The Ashley can exclusively reveal that, on Tuesday, the sister wives stars, who are currently battling over custody, paternity and child support for their youngest child truly were informed that a date has been set for a case management conference. In addition, Christine and her attorney filed an answer to the counterclaim, which Kody and his attorney filed earlier this month. Christine and Kody will both be required to attend the case management conference, which has been set for December 18th in Utah. Luckily for Kody, who is surely busy settling into his just-purchased Arizona mansion, the conference will be held virtually, and neither party will be required to attend in person. The Ashley can also reveal that the conference cannot legally be filmed for sister wives. Kody, Christine and their attorneys were informed of this on Tuesday. Court proceedings, including electronic proceedings, may not be recorded, photographed or transmitted, the court documents state. Failure to comply with this prohibition may be treated as contempt of court, punishable by fine and time in jail. As the Ashley previously reported, Christine, using her married name, Christine Woolley, filed a petition for declaration of paternity, child custody, parent time, and support, on September 16 against Kody. In the petition, Christine demanded that Kody take a paternity test to show that truly is his biological daughter. As sister wives, fans will remember, Christine was Kody's third wife. Since their marriage wasn't legal and they weren't open about being polygamists at the time, Kody's name didn't appear on any of the birth certificates for his and Christine's 6 kids. It appears that the paternity test may be underway as well, as a fee was paid for something paternity-related on October 23, the same day that Kody filed his answer to Christine's lawsuit. Christine and/or Kody have taken steps to keep the public from knowing personal, family information which could include income declarations and other private info. The information contained in Kody's response counterclaim has been marked, not public, and is not able to be viewed by anyone other than the courts, Kody and Christine and their legal counsel. Sister Wives star Christine Brown is opening up about her past wedding with ex-husband Kody Brown and the disappointment she felt surrounding the event. During the October 27 episode of the TLC series, Christine, 52, shared her excitement about planning her upcoming wedding to David Woolley. "I'm really excited to walk down the aisle. I've never had that experience before," she said, expressing her enthusiasm for a traditional ceremony. "When I got married before, it was just a religious ceremony, and it was all indoors. This would just be awesome to have a walking down the aisle thing, so I'm super excited because I've never done that before." Christine's desire for a memorable wedding was influenced by attending her daughter Madison Brown's wedding to Caleb Brush in 2016. During a confessional, she recalled feeling a sense of longing for a celebration of her own. "So, when Maddie got married and we were all there at her wedding, I was like, gosh, this would have been great to get, actually," Christine reflected. "I even told Kody, if we ever get married again, because I assumed I would just marry him again, like a recommitment. Whatever, I really want to walk down the aisle." He's like, "Okay," and so, whatever, didn't happen. It's fine. Christine wasn't the only one who felt a lackluster experience regarding her marriage to Kody. Janelle Brown, 55, also shared her perspective on their wedding, stating, "So when Kody and I married before in our church, it's not a big deal. There's not a big walk down the aisle. It's a religious ceremony, and afterwards, you kind of have a little bit of a party." She recounted how their wedding was a simple affair, adding, "We had a very, very small get-together at his mother's house. I didn't even have a dress. The contrast between Christine's current wedding plans and her previous experiences with Kody is striking. TLC shared a clip of Christine's reflections on TikTok, captioning it, "Christine opens up about how she didn't get the wedding of her dreams when she married Kody on #sisterwives." Moving on to new beginnings. While Christine has moved on to a new marriage after her split from Kody in November 2021, the dynamics within the Brown family continue to evolve. Only Christine, along with Janelle and Meri Brown, has divorced Kody, leaving Robyn Brown as the last remaining wife. Christine met David, 60, on the dating app Stir in October 2022, and their relationship quickly progressed, with the couple selecting a wedding venue by January 2023. They got engaged in April and tied the knot in October. The contrast between Christine's current wedding plans and her previous experiences with Kody is striking. TLC shared a clip of Christine's reflections on TikTok, captioning it, "Christine opens up about how she didn't get the wedding of her dreams when she married Kody on #sisterwives." Moving on to new beginnings. While Christine has moved on to a new marriage after her split from Kody in November 2021, the dynamics within the Brown family continue to evolve. Only Christine, along with Janelle and Meri Brown, has divorced Kody, leaving Robyn Brown as the last remaining wife. Christine met David, 60, on the dating app Stir in October 2022, and their relationship quickly progressed, with the couple selecting a wedding venue by January 2023. They got engaged in April and tied the knot in October. Janelle echoed Isabel's thoughts, noting that Christine's relationship seemed to be progressing quickly. "She was telling us about David. Seems kind of soon, but it's just one of those things, I guess, if you know, they say." Janelle echoed Isabel's thoughts, noting that Christine's relationship seemed to be progressing quickly. "She was telling us about David. Seems kind of soon, but it's just one of those things, I guess, if you know, they say." As Christine embarks on this new chapter of her life, viewers are eager to see how her journey unfolds in the upcoming episodes of Sister Wives. With her wedding plans taking shape, fans are hopeful that she will finally get the celebration she has always dreamed of. In a heated response to Christine Woolley's recent lawsuit, Kody Brown's lawyer has stepped up to defend the Sister Wives patriarch against the allegations presented by his ex-wife. Sister Wives star Christine Woolley has recently sued her ex-husband, Kody Brown, for child support and additional claims. This legal battle took a new turn when Kody filed his response 2 weeks ago, reportedly addressing the demand for paternity testing related to their daughter, Truly. A rocky transition for Truly. Fans of the series will recall the tumultuous circumstances surrounding Christine's departure from the family in Utah. Kody had expressed significant resistance to Truly leaving Flagstaff, claiming he felt sorry for her departure. This reaction raised eyebrows among viewers who questioned Kody's dedication as a father to Truly, given the previous dynamics in their relationship. Truly, however, appeared to handle the transition with surprising ease. Living with Christine and her new husband, David Woolley, Truly seems content and unfazed by the divorce. Christine has voiced her concerns about Kody, particularly highlighting that his name was not listed on Truly's birth certificate, thus justifying the request for a paternity test. Christine's legal demands. Christine's lawsuit not only seeks child support but also includes a request for a domestic injunction. This injunction aims to protect her from harassment, intimidation, and domestic violence. It also includes a stipulation that neither parent would speak negatively about the other in front of Truly. Allegedly, Kody has not provided any child support since their separation, prompting Christine to take legal action. While Kody has filed a response to the lawsuit, it appears that details of the case will remain private, accessible only to the two parties and their legal representatives. According to the Ashley's Reality Roundup, this decision is likely intended to shield Truly from unnecessary public scrutiny during a challenging time. In Kody's response, it was noted that he has engaged a newly hired attorney who appeared on his behalf in a Utah court on October 13. Reports suggest that a fee was paid for a matter related to paternity testing on the same day Kody filed his legal answer. This indicates that the paternity test process may already be underway. critical step in addressing the ongoing issues surrounding their daughter. In Kody's response, it was noted that he has engaged a newly hired attorney who appeared on his behalf in a Utah court on October 13. Reports suggest that a fee was paid for a matter related to paternity testing on the same day Kody filed his legal answer. This indicates that the paternity test process may already be underway, a critical step in addressing the ongoing issues surrounding their daughter. Despite Kody's decision to hire legal representation, it seems that the choice of attorney may not inspire confidence among fans. Reviews of Kody's new lawyer on platforms like Yelp and Avvo have reportedly not been favorable. This has led some TLC viewers to speculate about the possibility of Kody countering Christine's claims, although information remains scarce due to the protective measures surrounding Truly's privacy. Fans of Sister Wives have taken to social media to voice their opinions on Kody's response to Christine's lawsuit. Many express relief that details surrounding the legal proceedings are being kept under wraps, recognizing the importance of protecting Truly during this tumultuous time. The community's sentiments reflect a desire for the best outcome for the child involved, amid the complexities of family dynamics. As the legal saga unfolds, viewers remain curious about how these developments will impact the future of the Brown family. Will Kody and Christine reach an amicable agreement, or will this dispute escalate further? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure: Sister Wives fans will be keeping a close eye on this unfolding story. In Sister Wives, viewers have seen Kody Brown relate to divorce with his buddy, Nathan Dilts, in previous seasons. However, fans point out reasons why they believe Meri Brown's brother-in-law and Kody Brown's friend, Nathan, is worse than Kody. Tension in the family. During the October 27 episode of Sister Wives, fans saw Meri and Kody Brown meeting up post-release to move Meri's furniture. Along with Kody, Meri's sister Rebecca Dilts, and Meri's brother-in-law, Nathan Dilts, came to assist. While Meri was almost laughing uncontrollably, she told Rebecca and Nathan about the separation being final. Nathan, who has experienced plural marriage and divorce firsthand, was almost stunned by hearing Meri talk. Although it was a tense situation for everyone involved to navigate the new stage, Nathan seemed very concerned for Kody. In Season 18, Nathan and Kody Brown discussed how there were struggles in the marriage, with Christine leaving and him having deep anger. Nathan reminded Kody to self-reflect on where the anger was coming from. Since he has been through the ugly process, he advised him that anger is rooted in fear or self-delusion, so Kody needed to look himself in the mirror. Likewise, Kody discussed with Nathan in Season 18 how women chose sacred loneliness in polygamy. Furthermore, Nathan related to Kody since he knows how difficult it is to manage the needs of multiple wives. But Nathan told Kody he would have to face the darkest parts of himself. He also wanted viewers to look in on the unraveling with compassion, because he knows the pain in the breaking of a plural life. Furthermore, he was seemingly realistic about the difficulty that Kody, Meri, Janelle, Christine, and Robyn Brown would face with divorce. But fast forward to the moving scene, Nathan still seems shocked at the fallout. When push comes to shove, Nathan says he picks the blonde with the long hair. Meri has joked that he had to choose between her or Kody, and he admits he will stick with Kody. Why fans think Nathan is worse than Kody Brown? On Reddit, Sister Wives fans discuss Meri Brown's brother-in-law, Nathan Dilts, and his friendship with Kody Brown. First, someone says, Kody's friend Nathan is a loser, just like Kody. Then, they add, every time that man is on the screen I am enraged. His silence was very telling in the latest episode. Even though he is married to Meri's sister, he is 100% Team Kody. Dude is a try-hard for Kody's friendship. It is pathetic every time they bring this guy in. I'd love to hear Nathan's ex-wife's side. It could be as simple as polygamy didn't work for her, so she left. Or maybe Nathan is a *hole like his buddy. Kody is surrounded by douchebags. His one friend beat the ever-living *T out of his now ex-wife, and Kody was a witness in the case for the AUB. Birds of a feather flock together has always been my experience. Nathan is worse than Kody to me. At least Kody has some type of personality. Nathan is duller than dull. He's also unattractive and seems like he's not very intelligent. Nathan seems to be a little on the dim side of things. Other fans remember that Nathan Diltz was trying to save his friend, Kody Brown, from the nightmare of plural divorce. Although he is Team Kody, when he has to choose, Nathan seems to be sad about the situation all around. Undoubtedly, it is a tricky situation for Nathan, who is married to Meri Brown's sister but best friends with Kody. Another fan says, I remember he was in an episode a few seasons back and he told Kody if a wife isn't happy it was up to the husband to find a way to fix it. Kody totally disagreed with that. No surprise there from Mr. No accountability. He was a polygamous marriage but now is monogamous. There was another polygamous family the Browns visited in a previous season and the husband said the same thing about feeling it is his job to make sure his wives are happy. Kody rejected that immediately. In his defense, some point out Kody Brown doesn't listen, saying, I agreed sister wives made the Browns' original house popular before they had to make a mad dash to Las Vegas, Nevada in season 2. Kody Brown introduced the world to his 3 wives at the time, Meri, Janelle, and Christine Brown, while living there. However, the current owners have learned to blast tourists for taking pictures. Sister Wives brings attention to the Lehigh house. Undeniably, when America saw the Browns in their Sister Wives debut on TLC in 2010, they were a sight to see. Likewise, they took cameras into their 6,000 SQFT home in Lehigh, Utah, which was astonishing to most people. It had 3 separate apartments for Kody and his 3 wives at that time, Meri, Janelle, and Christine Brown. Each wife and her kids had their personal entrances, kitchens, laundry rooms, and master bedrooms in the layout. When the family discussed the setup, they said it was built to house polygamous families. This type of home made it easier to connect the big families while still allowing for separate spaces for each unit. Unmistakably, it is fascinating to most people who live in a primarily monogamous society. With the statement, you don't divorce the same person you married. That statement couldn't be more accurate. Without even trying, we grow and change as we age. I can attest to his statement that is so accurate. Another person took Nathan's side, not really though. He actually tried to talk sense into Kody before, but Kody only respects his own opinion and barely listens. Sister Wives made the Browns' original house popular before they had to make a mad dash to Las Vegas, Nevada in season 2. Kody Brown introduced the world to his 3 wives at the time, Meri, Janelle, and Christine Brown, while living there. However, the current owners have learned to blast tourists for taking pictures. Sister Wives brings attention to the Lehigh house. Undeniably, when America saw the Browns in their Sister Wives debut on TLC in 2010, they were a sight to see. Likewise, they took cameras into their 6,000 SQFT home in Lehigh, Utah, which was astonishing to most people. It had 3 separate apartments for Kody and his 3 wives at that time, Meri, Janelle, and Christine Brown. Each wife and her kids had their personal entrances, kitchens, laundry rooms, and master bedrooms in the layout. When the family discussed the setup, they said it was built to house polygamous families. This type of home made it easier to connect the big families while still allowing for separate spaces for each unit. Unmistakably, it is fascinating to most people who live in a primarily monogamous society. After the show's popularity spiked, many tourists have taken an interest in visiting any of the places that are featured in Sister Wives. However, one of the most sought-after stops is the famous Lehigh house. Someone named Charlotte came forward in 2018 with a blog, speaking of polygamy, that confirmed she was the new owner. According to her, her plural family bought the property from the Browns in 2016. Although the Browns have moved on to several new places, Charlotte mentions that it is commonplace for people to drive up and take pictures of their plural home. In May, Charlotte got a screenshot from a friend that showed someone posting about their visit to her house. But Charlotte admits that turnabout is fair play. She says, "We always try to get a picture of the person taking pictures of us." Through the years, she has made a collection of photos of visitors creeping into their lives. She adds, "When someone is slowly driving by with their phone out, I do find one thing annoying, to be honest. When they notice us watching them, they almost always drive away, as if they're doing something wrong." While most people would be alarmed by creepers, in the neighborhood, Charlotte has learned to embrace it. She says, under different circumstances, I would feel differently about uninvited strangers regularly taking photos of my home. But I understand the desire to see the original sister wives' house. I don't think devotees are doing anything wrong when they seek out the house and drive by. However, she wishes more people would say, hi, or get out and discuss how much they like sister wives. Although Charlotte likes to give people a taste of their own medicine, it is more playfully blasting them than anything else. Undoubtedly, Charlotte has a good sense of humor. When she is asked if it is tiresome to have people peering out their windows at their home, she isn't bothered. She says, no, I don't get tired of people taking pictures of the house where Kody Brown used to live with his plural wives. At least, I haven't gotten tired of it yet. It's not as if there's a constant stream of cars, it's more like a couple of times a month, and I just think it's funny. Sister Wives star Kody Brown can thank Robyn Brown for revealing another parenting strategy for the father of 18 featured on the TLC series. Some viewers call it questionable. Fans are confused about why Robyn would share a parenting tactic that sounds so awful. Sister Wives. Kody Brown aired his daddy deeds. Sister Wives fans heard enough out of Kody Brown's mouth to size up his fathering skills. Many believe he demonstrates a horrendous attitude toward many of his adult kids. They especially highlight what they heard him say about his adult boys. Viewers of this TLC show have images of Gabriel Brown stuck in their heads. This young man cried over the lack of a relationship with his father. Then Kody gave Janelle Brown that ultimatum. She needed to either kick her sons out of the house or lose her time with the sister wives patriarch. Janelle decided to give her kids a leg up in the world. So, she opted to let them stay home while working, to save the money to purchase a place of their own. And they did just that. Sister Wives fans don't just have Robyn Brown's latest reveal to form an opinion on Papa Brown. They also got an earful of Kody's daddy tactics while watching the show. Robyn Brown shares Kody's scare tactics. Sister Wives celeb Robyn Brown acted as if she was sharing a cute story about her husband with the Sister Wives audience. But some fans didn't see anything cute about it. They also think Robyn has bad timing when sharing this Kody quip. The fourth wife describes Kody with a murder face when agitated. And he uses this with the kids to the point where she needs to intervene. Her husband is already in the spotlight for his less than stellar behavior as a father. Now the fans learn he acts mean when directing his kids around everyday tasks. So, in this latest story, fans believe Robyn suggested that Kody scares his children into compliance. Many of the stories Robyn shares on the Sister Wives screen end the same way. If they have a negative outcome, she inserts herself into the event to fix it. The screenshots above show Robyn describing how she intervenes when Kody puts on his murder face. So while she treated this lightheartedly, the fans weren't as dismissive as Robyn Brown about how Kody directs his kids. It seems his murder face sounds like intimidation to the fans. Sister Wives. Robyn continues her shining campaign. If fans believe everything Robyn Brown tries to sell, then they would see her as the glue, since she claims she tried desperately to hold the polygamous marriage together. But many fans don't see it that way. Today, the Sister Wives viewers are surprised that Robyn didn't think about suggesting Kody Brown has a murder face before sharing that. In other words, she told the audience that Kody intimidates the kids with a mean presentation when he wants something done. This probably isn't the best time to share this type of ditty about Kody. He's estranged from many of his kids. So, revealing Kody Brown's murder face only added fuel to that fire for the problems he already faces with his kids. Those problems are seen almost daily in headlines from this TLC series. Sister Wives stars Kody Brown and Robyn Brown bought a $2.1 million mansion in Flagstaff, Arizona. And some headlines suggest this house purchase is a violation of a court order. There's even some outrageous talk he could go to jail over it. That's all nonsense. We'll explain why it's hysteria. Kody and Robyn bought the almost 8,000 square feet home Friday in the name of the trust they operate. The main house has 5,600 square feet. It's got 4 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. There's a bonus room, formal living room, and a theater room. Also, there's a 2,300 square featuring guest house. It's got 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. Plus, there's a 2,200 square foot RV garage. And a multi-car garage. Kody Brown and Robyn put down $420,000 on the 30-year mortgage. The loan principal is $1.68 million. If they have excellent credit and got the best loan rate, that's a nearly $12,000 monthly mortgage payment. Plus, taxes and insurance. And they already have another home mortgage for about $2,800 a month. That's a lot. Nearly $15,000 a month in home payments. That's $180,000 per year. So, some sites are saying that Kody buying the house violates a court order in Christine Brown's lawsuit against Kody. She's suing to establish his paternity of Truly Brown, because he was not listed on her birth certificate. And she wants child support and back child support. This is a family court case. With every family case in Utah, there's an automatic injunction. It addresses harassment, disparagement, and assets and debt. So, these armchair experts say that Kody's violating the part of not disposing of or concealing assets. However, that part of the injunction doesn't apply. It only applies to cases that concern division of assets and divisions of debt. For instance, in a divorce, when they divide up who gets the house, the car, and who pays student loan or credit card debts. That's not the type of case Christine filed. And he owes her no debt as of now. The case is in process. So far, his paternity hasn't been verified with Truly. Once that's done, then the court will address a ruling on child support. Even then, as long as he makes his payment on time and in full, Kody can buy and sell houses all he wants. Sister wives, timing matters for Kody. However, there is one thing that seems to link the timing of this big house purchase to Christine's case. One is the big down payment. They put down $420,000. That was 20% of the house price. That means they can avoid costly PMI, private mortgage insurance. It also means that Kody doesn't have a lump sum of cash sitting around in case the court decides he owes a big chunk in back child support. Often, the courts will work out a payment plan when they rule on a lump sum like that. But if Kody had a fat stack of cash in the bank, they might make him pony it all up at once. Another issue with the injunction is the non-disparagement piece. It says the parties can't say bad things about each other where the child can't hear. I'm not sure how they could tape Sister Wives season 20 if that was the case. The injunction went into effect the day Christine filed the case. That was the day after season 19 debuted. So, what they said in their confessionals and scenes already filmed. So, the injunction doesn't apply. And it stands until the final decree in the case. If there is a season 20, they'll have to get an exception to the injunction, or Kody will have to learn to watch his mouth. Or he might really be violating the injunction. But in terms of buying this big house, no, Kody Brown is not at risk of going to jail. He has not violated a court order. He is not flaunting an injunction. Thanks for watching this video. What do you think about this video? Told on comment box and subscribe our channel.